You didn't get into business just to make money, ladies. You also got into business because you wanted to have more money in your bank account and not just have more money in your bank account to pay for more debt. Mm. And that's exactly what you're doing when you make the decision not to have health insurance. Okay. So, the purpose of health insurance is to protect your finances from a major medical catastrophic event, right? Whether that be a sickness that you did not know about and just happened to spring up, or whether it's some type of an accident and you have to be admitted into the hospital, then that is the purpose of health insurance. Okay. And so, um, the reason that I bring this up is because back in May of this year, okay, I was in the hospital. I was admitted into the hospital for 5 days. I had a headache. I wasn't feeling good, and so I said, you know what? I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go to the ER, right? And they're gonna do what they do, and then I'm gonna come back home. I'm gonna be straight, right? When I got to the ER, they was like, and they checked my blood pressure, and they was like, oh no, ma'am, you're gonna be here. You're not going home. And I ended up being there for 5 days. Okay. Um, and while I was there, those 5 days, I wasn't worried about, um, I wasn't worried about whether or not how I was gonna pay the bill. Okay. Um, all I had to worry about was getting better because I have health insurance. And I know what my deductible is, and I know what my max out of pocket was. And I knew with that hospital stay that I was going to hit my max out of pocket. So I wasn't worried about that. All I had to focus on was getting better, right? Like the average hospital stay in the United States can run you anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. Okay. Now, from my hospital stay, all I had to pay was less than $1,000. I'm not gonna even tell y'all exactly how much it was before if I didn't have insurance, but just know it was over $10,000. But all I gotta pay is a little under 1,000. See, that right there is the purpose of health insurance. That is why you get health insurance. So, if you don't have health insurance, but you care about your finances, if you don't have health insurance and you understand that you want to keep more of your money in your bank account, that you did not get into entrepreneurship just to have money to pay for debts, then you need to grab my free checklist before you buy health insurance. And it outlines everything that you need to be looking for when you are choosing a health insurance plan that'll be the best for your needs and your budget. Okay. It's absolutely free. And so you can just, if you're watching this on TikTok, then you can just comment checklist and I'll get it over to you, get the link over to you. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can look at the link and you can look at the pinned comment in the description of this video to get the link for the checklist. Okay. Keep your money in your bank account. Don't give it away to the hospital just because you're trying to save a little bit of money on the front end. Because the back end is where the costs are, and that is what you are protecting your income from. Follow for more.